Almost. Oh my gosh, mommy. Mommy, I have problem. I need problem. Tissue. Go. Mommy, tissue. Hi guys. Now we're gonna make up myself. First, let's get a brush in my face. That's how you get when you go makeup. I'm gonna teach you how to make makeup. And now, let's put a brush in the powder. And put it in my cheek. That's okay. What happened to my brush? Okay, that looks like a snow. Okay guys, here. Oh my god, no. Oh guys, tapos uy. Baby. Okay guys. What's your I better go to It's working. Nag-makeup ka ba? Yung almost. Oh my gosh, mommy.
Mommy, I have problem. I need problem.
Oh my god, what happened? Well, that was close. Okay, Mom. Are you ready? Get set, my go. Okay, guys. I just said to Daddy that I get some tissue to wipe when I get dirty here or here, all of my makeup. Oh, I'm just excited and lovely. Tapos na ako na pala dyan. And now guys, I'm just excited to learn its history. But after that, let's make it. Oh, I'm already done. I know. colorful makeups. I'm gonna colorful makeup, and I'm not gonna see your. Just, I am just. Hey, mommy, turn it in. Okay, mommy's need to pee. Guys, you can't believe we're just a little. I broke mommy's makeup product, and now mommy has. And that's what I said. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys. Enough. That's enough, guys. I don't want to see again. Hey! Sorry, guys. That's good. Hey guys, I miss my makeup. Okay guys, I like this makeup. I'm never gonna get this right. And this is so bored when I just step.
Time.
A lining machine? Really? I need more tissue. I need more tissue, Mom. Thanks. I'm not gonna go in this Disneyland without no makeup. The beautiful makeup in the world. I've never seen this. I need your help, guys. Go in my house. My house is in book 1. Come on, guys. We need your help. I'm not gonna finish this. I'm not gonna get this one ever. I'm not gonna use this forever too. forever. And what happened to my hand? It's dirty! Sometimes I need your help. And first, I need my bottle again. I mean, I already have. And now it's time for me to leave. And I this is how it's like. I'm not gonna leave now. There, that's better.
Where is my motorizing? My motorizing's gone. Me gardening in my garden, you know.
And it also is tiny. This. And hey, where's my body brush? My teeny tiny brush. Here's my teeny tiny brush. Are you ready? Get set, go! I need. I caught him! More tissue. I need some more. I need that match. Okay guys, let's put it in my eye. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Sorry guys. I dropped the phone in the bed. That's better. I'm never gonna fix it. I'm here. I get this alert in there and one. It's tiny. Again. Partners. Go, go, go. Partners like this.